Alright, hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make cloud slime with diapers, the inside of diapers. You'll get something like this with a nice little drizzle. This is already made, but let's do the diaper cloud slime the right way. First you'll take slime, your basic slime base, clear, with shaving, this one's clear, but you could use shaving cream, you could use white glue, whichever, just as long as you got a base of slime, which I'll use the clear slime. It's just clear slime. So get a base of slime, good enough. Whichever kind you have is fine, just try not to have anything in it besides for the slime by itself. White glue, this color, clear, whichever. Good enough. Okay, so now that you got your base slime, just put that away for right now. And then grab a plate or something and just a regular diaper. See? Nothing more or less. And lots of people like to get it wet before and then grab it out, which I found doesn't work. So what I do first is just cut along the diaper like this. Cut it straight in the middle. Kind of hard, but you just cut it and get a parent's to help you if you don't have one. Make sure you get done, and then just let the inside of the diaper fall out onto the plate or whatever container you're using. It's kind of hard to see, but you'll have like a bunch of little powder down there, which is the stuff that is supposed to be in the diaper that you use. And on both sides, this is one side. And then the other side, and you can use, there's some more falling out, but this is the best way I found to work. If you get the diaper wet first, you open it up, and then you gotta pick through all kinds of weird stuff, so I just don't even get it wet to begin with, and just cut through the middle and get that stuff out of the diaper. And you can use 1, 2, 3, 4 diapers, whichever. I'm just gonna use one for an example. I don't want to waste too many diapers, but you'll see there's the powder there that you're looking for, if you could see it at all. And then take, where's my water? Hold on. Okay, and then just take some average water, which you see here, nothing more. Then pour it onto the inside of the diapers, kind of like the snow, so you can activate it. I'm going to put a little too much in there, but you'll get like a stuff like that from the inside of the diaper, but then it's not mixed with the other stuff that's in the diaper if you got the diaper wet and then try to get it out. This is way easier, and you can get quite a bit off a couple diapers, but since I'm just showing an example, I'm gonna do one diaper and then a little slime. So, and then take your base of your slime, which is this. I will use that much. You can use as little or as much as you want to, but make sure you use enough diapers if you use more. And then make sure you get your slime, your inside of the diaper wet after, so that it looks like that. And then just start putting it into your slime, mixing it in. And you can have quite a bit of it in there. And just pick it up like that, see? And keep mixing and mixing. And if you need to, if it gets wet or sticky again, just add some more activator if you really need to. And pick it all up from there. You need to just use another diaper, but mine should be good if I keep, and then just play with it for a while. And you can take your water and kind of dab it in the water, but to get it so it's still activated good. And like I said, if it gets sticky or something from the diaper stuff and water, then just add some more activator, but to normal slime, and then just mix it around like you would if it was the snow stuff. And you can add lotion, other stuff if you want to. I'm gonna add a little pre-mixed activator just because I got a little sticky there. And mix it. And you can color it. You can do what you want with it after it's mixed. You'll know when you got enough diaper in there because it will be drizzly and stuff for you. It usually works better with the pre-made slime made out of the shaving foam and activator with the white glue, just because it seems to be more cloud looking with that shaving foam and that color instead of clear. But then you will start getting the drizzle. You got to keep playing with it sometimes. Putting a little more activator in it because the clear slime just kind of is a little different than the shaving foam one. But then you'll get a drizzle, and let's see here. Just keep playing with it. See, it's just like that. Cloud slime. And you'll know when you need more diaper or more activator or the different kind of slime, and then you can just play with it, but make sure you do it the way where you open the diaper and then get the stuff wet instead of the other way. But let's see here if I can get a good drizzle out of this clear slime. And then my pre-made slime, and then after you work with it for a while, and this is a different kind of slime, but you'll get like the drizzle from the clown. See that? That's what it will look like. And that was made from a diaper too. Yeah. So let's put it in my hand. So there's how you make some awesome cloud slime with the insides of a diaper the right way. Thank you, and please subscribe and like the channel. Thanks, bye.